Hi everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to sign out of your GoWish application. So let's dive into the video without wasting much of our time. First of all, open the GoWish application from your app drawer. Once you end up in the main homepage of your GoWish account, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top right hand corner. Now, you will be able to see several options displayed on the screen. You just want to go to the bottom of the page and you will be able to see this logout option. Simply tap on it in order to log out of your GoWish application. But remember that you must remember the credential or your login type that you previously selected while signing up for GoWish so that you can get back to your account whenever you want. So that's how you can easily sign out or log out of GoWish application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.